Let's make some authentic Jamaican baked chicken. So I went ahead, cut, seasoned my chicken with some all-purpose Maggi season, added some crushed garlic, and then I let it marinate for about half an hour to an hour. Then I put it in the oven, I preheat, and then I grease my kettle and I put it in the oven. I checked on it at intervals. So for the first 15 to 20 minutes, I checked and turned, and then I leave it to slow cook. Keep turning at intervals and checking. I drain the excess water that the chicken produce and I use it to make my base. I added some ketchup, some browning, and I warm it.
See you
I
in my next
preheat it
video.
and then
Watch
I
out.
applied it to the chicken. Let it stay for 15